everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve question number 162 of this LeetCode series, which tells us about finding the peak element in the array. Let's go through the example, as it is also telling about writing an algorithm in order of log n. So keeping that thing aside for once, we will first understand the question, what question is going to tell us. Like, this is the nums array, okay, and we have to return the index of the value which they are talking about. Now what are they talking about actually? This is 3. Can you see something strange in 3 here? It's like the previous value of 3 and the next value of 3 is less than the value of itself. So we will return this index. Let's see another question. We are getting the highest element is 6. So again observe that the value before the 6 and after the 6 are less than 6, are less than the number itself. Then we will return the index of it. Okay, so we're gonna write the code as, for it as, first of all we will have like two edge cases of 0 and 1, 0 and n minus 1, and then we will iterate the loop from 1 and up to n minus 1, because we have already checked for 0, and in that we will write the conditions for the element, that whether if the value of the number before itself is less and after the number is lesser than the number itself, lesser than the value of the number itself, then we're gonna return the index of that particular number, which holds this uniqueness in this question. So int n equals to nums.size. If n equals to 1, return 0. Only if there is only one element, then we will return 0. If n minus 1 is greater than n, return n minus 1. Okay, so if n minus 1, the value before is greater than the next value, then we will return n minus 1, as this will work when there are two values inside the array. So now we will iterate the loop. Should be less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. If I is greater than I plus 1 and I is greater than I minus 1, return I. Return minus 1. Let's see whether this gets run or not. Okay, so here we have made a very silly mistake where there won't be n greater than n minus 1 here, because n is the size of the array. We cannot take it as we have to take the values inside the array. So n's nums of 0 and nums of 1 will be here, returning 0, and nums of n minus 1 greater than n minus 2, returning n minus 1, as n minus 1 is greater than n minus 2. This is what we have talked about. Okay, so let's submit it. got submitted. Thank you.